Chapter 6 Newton's Laws of Motion. 1. Concepts of motion. Greek ideas about motion were written down by a famous philosopher called Aristotle. Greeks said that there must be 3 different types of motion. The motion of things that we push around on the surface of earth. The motion of things that fall towards the earth. The motion of sun, moon and stars. They considered these 3 motions to be quite different. Could have different theories to explain each one, which is very odd thing to do. Thanks to the work of Galileo and Isaac Newton, we can now use just one theory to explain the behaviors of moving objects. Intuitive concept of force. Have you ever asked yourself why things move? Why do the planets keep moving around the sun? It keeps the earth spinning. We think our own experience of moving from place to place. Seems obvious that we have to make an effort to keep moving, or if don't, something else, like a machine makes the effort for us. To conclude, we can say that to keep a thing moving, it has to be pushed or pulled. The name of this push or pull is force. Without force there is no motion, or the force is the basic cause of motion. Thus, the force is an external effort, cause, in the form of a push or pull which either changes or tends to change the state of rest or the uniform motion of a body along a straight line. Forces can be classified into 2 main categories. 1. Contact forces, the forces which come into play due to actual contact between the bodies under consideration. Example, frictional force, tensile force in a string, normal reaction, air resistance, etc. Non-contact forces, the forces which come into play without any physical contact between the bodies under consideration. These forces may be due to some intrinsic, inherent, property of the body. Example, the field forces, electric, magnetic, and gravitational, are non-contact forces.